Hey, I am outside here. It is cold. It's very cold, but it's clear and it's sunny, and it's a beautiful day. In fact, if I'm totally quiet, you can't really hear anything. It's so muffled. The only thing I really hear is the crunch of the snow under my feet. And this is where we see the real world, and it's enriching to our souls. You know, we often think of the spring as being the start of new life, but if you think about it, underneath this snow are the seeds of the new life that spring reveals. So even when it doesn't seem like there's life, or it doesn't seem like there's much that's happening, there's actually life right underneath our footsteps, right underneath us. And one of my favorite quotes from last year is this. It says, "You'd be surprised what grows in winter." If you're ready to bloom, let's go back and see what image we might be able to turn into a beautiful painting.